Summer fruit pavlova, crisp meringue, whipped cream, and seasonal fruit. It's super simple. I need the egg whites of 4 eggs. So I'm going to crack those in. I want the bowl, very importantly, to be clean, and that's going to give you the best chance for the fluffiest, lightest meringue. What I always do with a meringue is a little pinch of salt. It helps to strengthen, and it's going to give you more lift, which is great. And then get this going on fairly high. After 20 seconds, start to add the sugar bit by bit. And what's pretty cool about this mixer is you can just hold down the button and set your timer. So I'm going to put it on for 5 minutes. Now when I start it, it will start to count down and then turn itself off. 3, 2, 1. Put it onto a tray. Use a little bit of the meringue in each corner here just to stick down the paper, just to stop it going everywhere. And then let's get everything onto here. I'll get every last bit out. And then we're going to put this in the oven for 1 hour at 150 degrees Celsius, which is 300 Fahrenheit, and it will be delicious. So we've cooked the meringue for an hour, but I've got a lovely little tip for you. Turn the oven off and let it cool down in the oven for 1 more hour. And that way you get that incredible crispy outside and that chewy inside. We want to make a nice topping for it. We're going to do a version of a classic creme chantilly, would be about 150 mils of double cream or whipping cream for here. And then I'm going to lightly sweeten it with just a couple of teaspoons of sugar. Then we're going to use a vanilla pod. Scrape it out, and it smells heavenly. We're going to whisk this up. And you want to whisk it until it's soft peaks, which is pretty much when it's like this. So it's not too stiff, but it will hold its shape, okay? Take the yogurt, about 150 grams again, and I just fold that in. Okay, put the cream in the middle. Get every last bit out. I use a little spoon here just to kind of move the cream around those waves. And then we're going to get our fruit. We can take some strawberries, slice them over the top. Lovely little raspberries here. Put some whole blueberries. And then some mint. Let's try some. Hear it crunch. Beautiful crisp meringue that's chewy and gorgeous. Look at that. Yes. It's all about texture. Heaven.